How to fix the archive is either in unknown format or damaged. Hi everyone, this is Kate here, and on today's video we will solve an error if it is the archive is either in unknown format or damaged. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you have a RAR or RAR file in your device, and if you're trying to export it or open it up, then you get an error message saying that the file is either in unknown format or damaged. So in that case, what you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the search bar search for 7zip, that is 7zip. Search for it. Now go to the first link on your interface, that is www.7zip.org. Once you're here, if you navigate to the section at the top left corner, according to your device type, you have to download one of the file from here. You could either go with 64-bit or 32-bit. Here I will download one from here. Now wait for a while until the download process begins. And once the file is downloaded completely, you have to open up the file and install 7zip in your device. After you install the 7zip completely, now you have to go to your RAR file where you were having problem, and then you have to extract the RAR file with the 7zip. Once you extract the RAR file with the 7zip, your problem will be solved and then the file will be opened. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.